It was a horrible day. That morning seemed like a normal Sunday morning. We noticed or smelt that there was some smoke. Went out to the backyard, opened the door before I went out to the backyard, and it just took off. It just took off. It was disastrous. Oh boy. I tell you what, that day when the fire happened, they have these so-called fire chasers. I mean, I had everybody coming to me saying, oh, we can do this for you, we can do that for you. Allied was brought in through my insurance. At first, like any homeowner, you have skepticism about the insurance bringing in somebody, but boy, am I glad I chose them. Will, from day one, he was very calm, gave me an estimate, walked around the house, said, here you go, look it over, and if you're interested, you can give us a call. It's the best thing ever. Oh, we didn't have to worry about anything. They handled everything from the insurance claims, from making sure the architect was contacted, making revisions. They just took everything. We didn't have to worry about anything until this day. Nothing. Easy, but we had plenty to think about, and they made it very easy. Actually, my daughter's the one that called because we were obviously over here all traumatized. She was the one that dealt with Mercury, and then they're very supportive. They're taking care of our rental where we're at. They're taking care of the contents, and they're taking care of the structure. They've handled everything. It's the best insurance. If you guys had a higher number, that's where they would be, but definitely a 10, by hands down. You have the crew, with Memo, the superintendent, and you have I guess the foreman, if that's who he is, but Angel, then he has Edwin, Robert. You got them all. They're great. They're great guys. Without a doubt. Unfortunately, the only way I would have to recommend them is if they went through a tragedy just like us, but say water damage, they would do great. They're a great place. Without a doubt, just give them advice to go with them. They'll handle everything. They're professionals. It looks like they've been in this business. They know what they're doing. They didn't promise me anything. They just said, this is what we're going to do for you. They gave me the scope of the work, and they gave me a timeline when things would be completed. I would get text from Jackie. She would text me saying, this is the next things we're going to be doing, and everything was right on the mark. Nothing was ever promised that wasn't completed. No pressure at all, and thank God I went with them. They made everything easy.